Well, hello and welcome. I'm super excited to bring you guys today's video. Now, if you're new here, it's your first time stopping by, hello, subscribe. And if you've been here before, welcome back. I really appreciate you. Now, today's video is a little different. This video is sponsored by Fytoo. Thank you guys so much. When they hit me up and I went on their website and seen the plethora of shades that they had, it blew my mind. You have so many different unique glasses. So their mission is to bring you stylish glasses on a budget. It is not going to break the bank. So that really caught my eye. Now, I love wearing glasses. No, I don't have a prescription, but I just feel like it adds on to the look. It brings the look to life. So let's have a little bit of fun. And yes, I know you may be wondering, can you get prescriptions in your lens? And yes, they can handle all of that for you. I really love on their website, you can actually digitally try on the glasses that you are interested in, or you can upload a photo of yourself and it will put the glasses on the photo. I think that's incredible. It shows that they really care about their customers, and some people just need that visual. This is number one. They named this eyewear Constant. Now, they describe it so beautifully. They said very attractive red, which is like a rose in the sunlight with a touch of romantic color. I definitely agree. The red is beautiful and it's even more beautiful in person. Now, the shape I love. I have many glasses that have the same shape as this one. So the shape is definitely giving classy. It's giving schoolgirl. It's giving business professional. And I love that these don't slide down. This next one is Mary, and they have 12 reviews on the website, and it has a 5 star. I just feel like this green is so unique and so different, and it definitely drew me in. I cannot wait to get all dolled up and put these on. Yes, they describe this shade as an impressive shape and color because they look like a live grass in the summer. What I also love about this brand, if you like this rectangular shape, but you want a different shade, you scroll down a little bit on their website and you will see different shades available. Also, I love that they have a frame size guide on their website. I went with a medium size for all of my eyewear today. These definitely fit my face perfect. Now, I know by looking at them, you might think they might be a little heavy, but I promise they're not heavy at all. Very lightweight and comfortable. Definitely can be an everyday look. Before we go on to the next, these right here got me in a chokehold. I'm obsessed. It's a yes for me. Definitely my favorite. Now let's see what we have next. I'm just opening them up as I go, so I don't know what I'm getting next. So let's see. Oh, they're these. I cannot wait to put these on. The name for these are Edmund. They have 4 reviews, 5 star. These are the cat eye ones. They describe these as elegant cat eye glasses with a modern and dynamic look. I love the colors. I'm obsessed. Wow. The colors are so beautiful, bright, vibrant, And then you got the brown. Oh, it just sets the tone. Definitely giving elegant. I want to know, in your opinion, are you more of a rectangular girl or cat eyes? Which one are you feeling more? I love both of them. I really can't decide. Are you ready for this next one? Because I don't think you're ready. When I say I never had any glasses that were shaped like this before, these just caught my eye right away when I seen them on the website. And they also have just black and white if you wanted to do that. But I had to do the red because it made a statement, you know? On the website, these are named Emily with 8 reviews. And of course, these are a 5-star because why would they not be? Just look at them. Gorgeous. They describe these as a butterfly like appearance, and I can definitely understand that. These glasses are made of TR material, very elegant, very charming. Just look at the detail. Yep, I am gonna say it. Every woman need a pair of these. So freaking cute. I just cannot get over these. And I probably wouldn't wear these every day, but when I get all cute and I'm wearing red or probably a dark brown, a black, these are definitely fitting. Let me know in the comments, would you give this a try? The butterfly. Yeah, that's the name, the butterfly. They said butterfly like effect, but I'm just going to say butterfly. So let me know down below in the chat if you would rock these butterfly, elegant, charming glasses. Okay, now I do have a bonus for you guys. So be sure to watch all the way to the end. Overall, these glasses from Fytoo is amazing. They were lightweight, super comfortable, stylish, affordable. Overall, I'm really impressed. And now let's get into these shades. So this is Bruno. It has 24 reviews, 5-star, of course. Now, these are blue light blocking, which is great. I think these are super stylish, super comfortable, and I can see myself going out in these. Every one of these glasses so far is great quality, and I'm not just saying that to say that. Truly, it has amazing quality. I like to keep it honest and raw with you guys. No complaints at all. Only thing is, the shipping is about 15 to 20 days, but for the price point and the quality, you really can't beat that. But let's just say these are giving sophisticated. Yes, leveling up. I'm in my it girl era. Yes. And last but not least, here's the bonus. You'll receive 15% off on your order. All you have to do is put in code Kiera15 at checkout. I would love to know, what was your top 3, and do you wear glasses because you have to, you have a prescription, or you just want to add a little more style to your everyday look? I would love to know in the chat. And while you're here, you might as well subscribe. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button. Love you guys, and chat later.